Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss. So it's another city drive. This time we're driving from Halfway Tree up to Lady Musgrave. I have something to pick up over by CRU Bar. So that's where we're heading. It's right next to TGIF. So stay tuned. Halfway Tree to Lady Musgrave. City Drive. Alright, so we'll be heading up Hope Road. And then on to Lady Musgrave Road. So stay tuned. Remember to like this video. You don't have to wait until the video is finished. Just like wherever you are, press that like button. Remember to leave a comment. Liking, commenting, and sharing helps the YouTube algorithm to, push the video to new persons that have never been on the channel. It will push it into their news feed. So that's what likes and commenting and sharing does. It says to YouTube that, hey, persons are watching this video and liking the content, so you can push it to other persons. So that's literally what happens. So each like goes a far way. Remember, subscribing is free. If you're about Jamaica, if you love Jamaica, click that subscribe button. We don't only do driving videos, we do everything Jamaica, everything progressive, every new development, every new construction. We try to cover them for you guys. Alright, so we'll be taking the left right here onto Hope Road. A lot of homeless persons on this corner begging. In front of us is Brooklyn Supermarket. Alright, so we'll take this left turn. Alright, so it's a Sunday if you were wondering, so the traffic is a lot less. So smooth sailing. We're approaching the intersection for Waterloo Road, Trafalgar Road, and Hope Road. Another major intersection. We have Abbey Court on the right and the infamous Devon House on the left. So this is one of the few places person have for recreation, for some family time, just to chill, grab a ice cream, grab a Devon House curry goat patty. I was told that is very, very tasty. Devon House curry goat patty. Have any of you guys tried it before? Let me know. I haven't. I can't eat curry, so I won't be trying it, but I was told it's super nice. Devon House curry goat patty. And you can grab that at Devon House, which is on the left. Most persons that have been in Kingston at least 5 years or more have visited Devon House before, so it's one of those popular spots. So it's on the left. Their lawn is still closed off. But around the other side, where they now sell the ice cream, around there probably busy, very busy right now on a Sunday. We have Andrews Memorial Hospital on the right. Then prep school on the right, and police officers club on the left. Then we will be taking the right turn that's coming up. TGIF on the right. And then the Medallion Hall Hotel is on the right as well, where you see those flags. Intersection of Lady Musgrave and East Kings House Road. Alright, so I'm heading over by the courtyard, and that's where CRU bar is. As I said, picking up something over this side. Not a very popular plaza, but it's home to a few businesses like CRU Bar and CPJ. So CRU is upstairs. You can see their sign right there. Alright, so it was a quick drive, guys. Just wanted to bring you along. You know, I'm always bringing you guys on the journey wherever I'm going, keeping you guys posted and sharing the experience as well. So this is where we at. CPJ downstairs, CRU Bar upstairs. Have you ever been to CRU Bars? Sorry, CRU Bar? Let me know, guys. Not a very big facility, but somewhere you can chill, you know, grab a drink or two. Probably a small work function. I've been there a few times myself. A little vibe. Let me know if you have ever been there before. Alright, guys, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you on another video. I think what I'll do, if when I'm going back down it's not too late, I'll drive through Devon House, you know, just to show you guys Devon House on a Sunday. Probably it's not very busy yet. In the evening when it starts to get dark, it's a lot busier, but I'll probably just drive through, show you guys a quick glimpse. If I get to do that, I'll put it right here at the end. Alright, guys, so as promised, a quick drive through Devon House for you guys. Alright, so I'm not staying or anything, not coming out. So we have Reggae Mill, Opa Restaurant, the spa at Devon House, have a lot more shops inside. Cakes, smoothies. You have Bad Dog, you have Souvenir. So over here is always very busy on a Sunday. And I'm sure everybody watching have been to Devon House before. If you have ever been to Devon House, put an ice cream emoji in the comment, or just write Devon House in the comment. Anyone will do. So just showing you guys around real quickly. So some shops around there. Shops around there. And then this is the lawn that's opened, so persons will have a picnic on this lawn. And then over there is where they're selling ice creams from now. Right over there. It's not that full yet. Some more parking around here. And then you have the lawn over this side. Alright, so it's a quick drive through Devon House. Alright, so that's a quick view through my side mirror. So that's where they're selling from now. They used to be around the front in some gazebos, but now they have set up around here. And that's the lawn. Alright guys, so just a quick look at Devon House. And then the infamous Devon House ice cream. One entrance, one exit.